Alright, welcome back. Let's do question 3D2. Using the answer to A and D1, describe the skewness of the data set. Remember, our answer for A was what? The mean is 53%. Okay, and then according to our answer for 3D1 there, right, we said that the median we got that the median should be roughly 50 to 51 there. So the median is 50, let's say 50%, okay, or 51% right now. So it becomes very easy to describe the skewness of the graph by using the mean and the median. Let me explain this. Right, the mean, the median, and the mode are measures of central tendency, but the mean is the measure of central tendency that is affected by outliers. Okay, let's say we have this data set. We have 1, 1, 2, 3, 10. So let's say these are the marks out of 10, right? So we have how many marks here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? The median here, where is it going to be? It's going to be this value here, which is 2, right? And then now, because of this 10, the mean is going to be sort of pulled towards 10. You see that? The mean is going to be pulled towards 10. So meaning that the mean is going to be higher than the median. Okay, if we draw a distribution curve, it's going to be looking like this, something like this, right? We have a lot of data this side, and then this outlier 10 pulls the mean towards itself. So the mean will be greater than the median. Please take note of that, right? So when the mean is greater than the median, the data is positively skewed or skewed to the right. Where is the tail? The tail is on the right, so we skewed to the right. Right, and then let's say we have another data set which is like this. Maybe say 1, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you see that a lot of marks are nearer to 10 here. So the distribution of this will be mostly this side. But now this one, which is an outlier, is very low. An outlier, it will pull the mean towards itself. So now in this case, the mean is going to be lower than the median. So when the mean is lower than the median, then the data is negatively skewed or skewed to the left. Where is the tail? The tail is on the left. Okay, so it's skewed to the left or negatively skewed. Please take note of that. And then when the data is evenly distributed, like that, the mean and the median should be equal. If we check our mean and median, we can say the mean is greater than the median. The mean is greater than the median, so you can say the data is positively skewed. Positively skewed. Or you can say skewed to the right. Okay, or you can say skewed to the right.